Welcome to this detailed review of Insightly CRM. Today, we'll take a closer look at this popular CRM platform to see if it truly lives up to the hype. Insightly is designed to help businesses of all sizes manage their customer relationships, organize their projects, and streamline their workflows. We'll start by exploring its main features, then discuss its user interface, pricing options, and overall performance. Insightly stands out for its combination of CRM and project management capabilities. It allows users to track leads, convert them into customers, and monitor the progress of projects associated with those clients. This dual functionality is a major selling point, particularly for small and medium-sized businesses. The dashboard is user-friendly, with customizable views that provide quick access to your tasks, pipelines, and activity reports. Adding contacts and leads is straightforward, and the system makes it easy to segment and organize them. Insightly also integrates with popular tools like Gmail, Outlook, and QuickBooks, ensuring seamless communication and accounting. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video to get even more insights and tips. One of the standout features of Insightly is its project management module. Unlike many other CRMs, it doesn't just stop at managing customer data. It allows you to assign tasks, set milestones, and even track time spent on each project. The pipeline automation tools are another highlight, enabling you to design custom workflows that save time and reduce manual effort. For teams that rely on data, Insightly offers robust reporting and analytics tools. These help in identifying trends, tracking team performance, and making data-driven decisions. You could also use the mobile app, which mirrors most desktop features and ensures productivity on the go. Pricing for Insightly is competitive, with plans tailored to different business needs. There's even a free trial for those who want to test the waters before committing. However, one limitation worth noting is that the advanced features are only available in the higher-tier plans, which might not fit every budget. Overall, Insightly CRM is a strong contender in the CRM market, offering a blend of usability, functionality, and affordability. Whether you're a startup looking for a cost-effective solution or an established business in need of robust project management tools, Insightly could be worth your consideration. If you found this review helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more reviews like this. Your support helps us create more content to guide you in making informed decisions. Thanks for watching.